Hi, this is MySQL Short. I am Lefret. Today we will see how we can start MySQL with a warm InnoDB Buffer Pool. As you know, disks are slower than memory, and by default, when we need to read a page, if the page is not in memory, we need to read it from the disk. So we need to load it from the table space to memory, and this can't be slow. So let's have a look now to see here in our instance what we have in the buffer pool, and we can see that we have some tables from a test workload called sbtest. So we see how many pages we have, how much of memory it represents. And now we will also see that we, by default on this system, we have a InnoDB Buffer Pool dump at shutdown, it's off. So meaning then when we restart MySQL and when we reconnect to it, we will see that the data we had in the buffer pool, it's gone. Meaning that if we need to process this data again, this working set, we need to reload everything from disk. And this is what happened now. And this operation on large buffer pool can take a lot of times, can take even sometimes some days to be very warm with the working set that we need. So with MySQL 8 here, and this is already from 5.6, we have the possibility to load the buffer pool and to save what's inside. So save all the pages or a part of the pages on disk when we do a shutdown. So here we will change that, and we will put the InnoDB Buffer Pool dump at shutdown with set persist to on, meaning that every time MySQL will be stopped, the content of the buffer pool will be saved on disk. We don't save all the pages, but some addresses from the pages. So here we also change to do it completely, not only a part of the buffer pool, but all the pages. So dump %100. So this time we're gonna restart MySQL, and by default the buffer pool content will be loaded when we restart. So you can see, we see what we have now. So we have page SB2, SB1 there. We restart MySQL, and this time the sbtest tables will be loaded as soon as we reconnect and MySQL is ready. So we check and we see the pages are there. We don't see the name at the beginning, it's null, because it's when we access that the information schema will be updated. We can also do it on demand, so not only at shutdown, so we can change that. So here we just did it on demand. We will change it at shutdown, so we will keep the buffer pool like it was when we called it. We reconnect, and now it won't load how it was when it shut down, but it loaded when we dumped it manually. As you can see, once again, table name are null, but they are there, the content is there, everything is there. It's just because the information schema is not yet updated. As soon as we access it, it will be updated. So we can dump, we can load on demand, we can do it automatically, but usually so we do it at shutdown. But if MySQL crashes for any kind of reason, it will reload maybe a working set that it's from the last shutdown that could have been long time ago. So you can also create now an event, a schedule like a cron job that will dump the buffer pool content every hour. So next time it will load the right one. At most, let's say 1 hour old one. So this is how we create this event. So now you know how to start MySQL with a warm buffer pool. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Bye bye.